Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi Pyare Hazur.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
My name is Nawal Khan. I am from Tahir region. I am 14 years old. Hazur, my question is, by the grace of Allah, we have so many books of the promised Messiah alayhi salam, but they can be quite difficult to understand. Hazur, what would you recommend is a good book for young people to read first?
You are quite right that there are quite a number of Hazrat Masih Islam's books, and most of them, they are very much difficult to understand. But there are some books which are easy to understand, right? Such as Ark of Noah, and even Hazrat Masih Islam has said that my book, Haqiqatul Wahi, is in very easy language and you can understand it, and it has been translated also, I think. So you can read these books, but just to develop and create interest in the books of Hazrat Masih Islam, you should first start reading from the passages of those books which are of your interest, and you can see the content list. And for that, even the Jamaat has also made this one easy for you by printing and some selected excerpts and passages of the book from the books of the Hazrat Masih Islam in the form of Essence of Islam, right? So they are in 5 volumes, and that covers different topics. So you can just take the book and see the topic of your interest and then read it. And by doing this, you will develop and create interest in reading the books of Hazrat Masih Islam. And at the same time, you will increase your knowledge also, what Hazrat Masih Islam has said or he wanted us to understand with regards to our religion, with regards to our spiritual enhancement, spiritual level, and with regards to our knowledge and wisdom, right? So I think for a young boy, for young boys, it would be better if they read the book Essence of Islam and then select the topics from that book of their own interest. That will help you to create and develop interest in the books of Hazrat Masih Islam. Okay?
Jazakallah.
Okay.